One of the biggest fears we have as motorcyclists is having your motorcycle stolen. And let's be honest, even if you get the cops involved, your bike, if it's stolen, it's probably never going to be found. But there is one tool we can use that might be able to help us out. Alright, what is up, YouTube fam? So, this company called INVOXIA just sent me over their GPS tracker. Let's do a quick unboxing of this thing and let's see how it works and how it can help us track our bike and recover our bike if it's ever stolen. Right off the bat, most of the GPS systems out there, they're big, they're bulky, and you have to hook them up to your battery. The advantage of that being is that you can set it to your battery and you don't have to worry about turning it on, turning it off, charging it, etc, etc, etc. However, those GPSs that are hooked up to your battery, it's very easy for a thief to simply remove the seat, cut those wires, and that GPS tracker is gone. The thing that I like about the INVOXIA tracker is that it is small enough, look how small this is, to where you can literally hide this on your bike anywhere, and maybe the thief doesn't even think about looking for it. So you can keep tracking your bike as you go along. So this is the INVOXIA tracker. It comes with a charging port right there. Let's have a look here at what else comes in the package. Little instruction manual. Let's see. So the first charge will take about 80 minutes. You download the INVOXIA GPS app and then you launch the app to track your GPS and you start tracking your motorcycle, all of its activity. I think you can even track whether, if you're away from it, whether it's been moved or not. So if somebody sits on your bike and tries to stand it up, this will tell you. In the rest of the box, we have simply a charging cord. That is it. This thing looks like it's simple to use and very, very convenient. So the back of the box, right there, it says long battery life lasts up to 4 months. So you can put this on your bike, hide it, and for 4 months, you don't have to worry about charging it, and you can track the battery life through the app. So it's very, very convenient. These plastics don't really do much. Now this looks like this comes off here. I don't think it actually does. It just looks like it. It's got a little leather strap if you want to strap it down to something. Now you do have to get a subscription with INVOXIA, but when you purchase the GPS tracker, it does come with 1 year of subscription service. Now if you are interested in getting the INVOXIA tracker, you can use the link down below in the description for INVOXIA and use the promo code 305RIDER, all one word. That'll get you 10% off and hopefully you can start tracking your bike. All right, let's take a look at the app and then some ideas as to where we can put it on the bike. So once you find the INVOXIA GPS app on the App Store, whether that's Google or Android, go ahead and download it. So let's see here, the INVOXIA app says always know where your valuables are. Obviously in this case we're talking motorcycles. You can view location history, GPS tracker, battery life, safe zones. You can do some geofencing, that's pretty awesome. You can put it on your pet, that's cool. We have the app open now. New generation of GPS tracker. Let's create an account. Very simple to create an account, very intuitive. Want to activate Bluetooth, then it's asking us to plug it in. After we have it plugged in, it's going to detect the charger and we're going to start our setup. We'll start with the region. It's the United States. We're going to be tracking a motorbike. Activate anti-theft alerts to be notified in the event of tampering or tilting. We absolutely want that. And now it's going to register the device. It's going to download the latest version of the firmware. Once it downloads the latest version of the firmware, it will update your device. Then we're going to name our tracker. I'm going to name mine after my bike. On the type, just put in INVOXIA GPS. Then we're going to want to activate location services. We can change how often it's going to send us an alert while we're moving. Define safe zones such as your home, your work, and set up alerts to be notified as soon as your tracker enters or leaves these zones. Yes, absolutely. Let's allow that. Sure, we'll share our location analytics with INVOXIA. You can choose to or not. And let's go. Okay, so let's go to settings, proximity radar. You can set start ringing, and the GPS device will ring so you can find it. You can go into history of positions, and once you have locations that you visited, you can add them to zone alerts in important places so that the GPS tracker already knows that. And you can track your history for the day, last 3 days, the last week, last month, 6 months, or a specific range of dates. Right now we've only been to one place. Once you have it all set up, it will alert you as to a tilt or as to movement on the device, which is movement on your bike, if it happens to move while you're away from it. So it's a very, very, very good solution to keep track of your bike, not just if it gets stolen, but if you're worried about too many people being around it and somebody hitting it, keeping track of that, you'll know if your bike moves. I will do another review once I have a lot more location history, but for now, let's get some ideas for where we can hide this device securely on the bike.
Several song-filled hours later.
So I went ahead and I figured out where on the bike I'm gonna put it. I'm not gonna show you where and how on the bike I'm gonna put it for obviously security reasons. I wanna keep my GPS tracker's location a secret. But unlike other chargers, this one's very, very good in the sense that it's got a large flat surface and it's very, very light. So my recommendation is you can either hide it in one of your bags if you have a bagger. You can literally stick this anywhere underneath the bike. A couple of ideas I will give you in order to put this on your bike. If you have a bagger, or maybe a swing arm bag or some other kind of bag, you can try to find a way to hide it inside the bag. Another way is you can use double-sided tape and stick it underneath. This is light enough, this isn't gonna go anywhere. You can maybe put it underneath a fender. You can put it inside your fairing if you have one. You can put it behind or underneath the triple tree. You can go with the normal GPS tracker location and put it underneath your seat. To even make it easier to charge every 4 months or whenever the battery is running low, you can put Velcro in here, Velcro on your bike and Velcro it to your bike. I'm obviously gonna take off the leather strap just because I don't want it dangling off of my bike. I am gonna put this on my bike and hopefully it's going to be a very useful tool. I will do another review once I have a lot of data, location data into the app, maybe a 3 or 6 month review, so look out for that. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and click the like button, subscribe to the channel. And again, if you're interested in getting an INVOXIA GPS tracker for your motorcycle, or you can even throw this in the bag or anywhere, use the link below with the promo code 305RIDER, all one word, and you're going to get 10% off the INVOXIA GPS tracker. So that's it. Ride safe. Track your bike.